Wizard Wednesday has begun. Time for science, so much fun. It's Wizard Wednesday.
Science rules.
Today's episode is brought to you by elasticity. If it stretches, you know it's elastic.
Balloons are super cool. They stretch, they inflate, and they pop. But have you ever wondered why they pop? When we blow air into a balloon, there is more air inside the balloon than there would be usually. This extra air creates pressure that inflates the balloon. Have you ever put a cup on your mouth and sucked out all the air? The cup sticks to your face because the air outside the cup is putting pressure on the cup. Blowing up a balloon is sort of like that, but in reverse. There's more pressure in the balloon than the outside, so the balloon doesn't shrink back down until you let the air out. When a material is stretchy, we can say that it is elastic. As the balloon inflates, all the pressure pushes out evenly. The elasticity of the balloon makes it so every part of the balloon is working the same amount to keep the air in. All the parts of the balloon are being stretched out in every direction. When you make a hole, the parts closest to the hole do not stretch in every direction. The hole is not elastic, and it doesn't do any work. But the rest of the balloon's rubber is pulling away from the hole. That makes it bigger and bigger until it pops. All this happens really fast. Let's see if we can see it up close. Slow down 10 times and we still couldn't see what happened to the balloon. Luckily, other scientists have even slower cameras. Let's see if we can see it 400 times slower. Wow, that was really cool. Wow, we actually got to see how the balloon broke apart from one side to the other as the hole got bigger and bigger. But what makes the popping sound? That's actually the sound of all of the high pressure air coming out all at once when you make a hole. Let's go over what we know. Balloons are stretchy. They are elastic. When you inflate a balloon, there's more pressure in the inside than the outside. When we pop a balloon, all the pressure gets released all at once, and the hole gets bigger and bigger really fast. So if a balloon pops because all that pressure inside it, what do we think would happen if we put a hole in a balloon that isn't inflated all the way? Let's make a hypothesis. Science alert! Hypothesis is a big word, but what does it mean? Well, basically, a hypothesis is a guess that we scientists make. It can be tested and compared to the results that we actually get. Being able to test is really important. Otherwise, you're just guessing, and it's not really science. I don't think this balloon is gonna pop. I just think it will deflate slowly. Perfect. We made a hypothesis and we tested it out. Our hypothesis was right. The balloon didn't pop, just like we said it wouldn't. It just deflated slowly. What if we wanted to put a hole in the balloon that's fully deflated, but still didn't want it to pop? Is it impossible or what?
Excuse me?
Oh. Hi, Toucan.
Nothing's impossible with science. You said that the balloon pops when the hole gets really big really fast.
I think I get what you mean. If we cover the hole with something, maybe it will stop it from getting bigger and it won't pop.
Yeah! Maybe we could use
Tape!
tape! I'll get the tape.
I put together a couple different sizes. Let's see if I can get them on a stick. Wow, I got it on a stick. Let's see if I can get this one too. Wow, I got this one on a stick too. Let's see if I can get this one. I got this one on a stick. 1 balloon, 2 balloons, 3 balloons. I think we proved that keeping the hole from getting bigger does not make the balloon pop. Pretty neat, huh? Let's prove it one more time with a giant balloon. Big skew. Ah! Worked for a second. There you go. Now we know why and how balloons pop and how not to pop balloons. And we had fun. Hooray! Stay curious, little scientists. Science rules.